Yeah, good evening. MCX natural gas. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, hello. Is it all clear? My screen is visible to you. Chart not visible. Okay, 1 minute. Right now, is it okay? Yeah, 1 minute. Hi, Sumit sir. This is the MCX chart. Now you have seen that these all these are the sell signal, buy signal. This means Astros and buy. Okay, I have converted it. Now you can see that these all these at same cost to cost. There is no loss at all, only very minimal loss. And whenever it gives the pure profit, it converts to it's a huge profit. Okay. Yes, yes, it's a Astro indicator. For clearance of the all the customers and all the members, I have for clear for the all the members, I have converted to B and Ls. Astro as a B and reverse Astro as S for the clarification of all the members, for the new members also. Okay, Sumit sir, now it's clear. Or you have any doubt, you can ask me. I can clear. Okay, yeah, thank you. And for the next is natural gas. Okay, see this natural gas. Only here we got the just loss of very minimal loss, and whenever it gives the profit, it gives huge profits, and loss is very less when compared to the profits. That's why I have mainly prefer this. See this, here you have the Astro signal and the sell signal is here, and there is a method to wait to book profit at very high stage that will be provided on the course. Okay, and see this, after that also there is a sell signal, and you can see this, and after that buy is the buy signal, and even this is also in profit. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, gold and silver, yeah. See this for gold, this is gold. Okay, and you see that there's a, all our cost to cost are very minimal loss. Okay, whenever it gives the profit, there is a huge profit completely, it goes like this. 100 points or 100, it still continues. Okay, and whenever it goes only loss at very minimal loss, that's also counted. 4.3, 4.3 is loss and the profit is 100 plus. But well, or you can book at higher, it's 116. See how much risk reward ratio this provides. No, we don't go for long time frame because digital business official, when you go for long time frame, it it holds position for the completely months, and in that case we got very huge loss. Okay, if for example if you see the 1 hour time frame, just it's not a big time frame, but when you go for 1 hour time frame, loss is very high. That's why when we need to focus on the very low loss, less loss. We have to hold the position for the weeks or months like that. Does time work in long time frame like time frame? Yeah, works, it works in long time frame also, but you have a very stop loss will be very high, that means risk is high. I have designed this for the very less risk, that means there only very minute risk. Okay, and the profit will be higher. If you go for day time frame, risk is more. It works but risk is high. See this, this is day time frame. Yes, that's why I have given the least possible best working time frame is 5 minutes only. On November 1st, it's a day time frame. On November 1st, it has given the buy signal. Okay, and continuously it's going the right row. Okay, see this, And you can see for silver also, you can get the clear idea about this. It has given buy signal on a March. Okay, and that March doesn't provide at no indicator has been provided at March. It is buy signal. There is no breakout at also, but still it has given the, you can see this weekly time frame also. Yeah, see this 2024 March it has given buy signal. Last year March, not right now, not in this year also. 2024 March. Okay, from there it has been going, and for the long term holders, they can do for long time periods like that, 3 hours for 4 hours, 1 day. Yes, these are astro lines. 13th March. Yeah, let me check for weekly. See this is the bottom. It has given buy signal. Yes, here. Yeah, only here it has given the buy signal. It doesn't gives any breakout, because breakout is here, but at lowest point it has given the buy signal. From there it has continuously goes up. But when you take these long time frames, risk is also very high. See this. Yeah, it has given buy signal here, and this is cost to cost, or $0.75. And if you see this, 3.16, but you have to wait for the long time. This is a September to 3 years period it has. See this, mostly it doesn't give loss at all. It mostly it gives the cost to cost or near to cost. See this, every time it has given the same level. Whenever the 2-3 times it has given the same level, then immediately it gives profit on single direction. See this, it continuously at same level it has given the same. Okay, no, tweet on the silver is not based on this tool. It was based on completely astrological planetary effects. Okay, yeah, now going to Nifty. See this, when we go for day time frame, it has given the buy signal at May 23 at approximately 18,000 range. 18,002, it has given a sell signal at 24,400. Again it has given same buy signal at approximately same level. 92 189 points is loss only. Okay, then still it goes upside. But when you go for long time frame, it will be better, but risk is also very high. we have to face that risk. If you go face the risk, then it will be the you can go for long time frame. Yeah, okay, I will show in 5 minutes also. Yeah, this is nifty 5 minutes. Now see, here it is the sell signal. It has given that approximately level of 25,938. So given that 25,770, we have to exit that 720 and 50 points before we have exit that. That means there is a different method way to book profit. Huge profit we can book that before the signals. Okay, that will be provided on the course, and you can see that loss is very minor. Yeah, buy here, okay, and the sell here. It's a 66 points loss, but already previous before that it has given. Yeah, in the course I will provide this indicator completely. It's a lifetime free. It's a lifetime free of indicator in the course. I have given that 27,880. It's 192 points. Or if you take this only according to this indicator, it's 80 points. Okay, 80 points profit, and the loss is here. Wait. No. Yeah, 70 points loss. Bullshit thing didn't work when Jupiter is an 8th position from Moon. The used to work earlier is it was shared long back. Any reason? Yeah, I have mentioned that it works only when Jupiter is in 5 degrees to 25 degrees only. Right now Jupiter is in 29 degrees. That's why it doesn't work. And Jupiter should be in direct position, not in a retrograde position. These are the conditions to work that. Again I'm repeating. So it's a Jupiter Moon's concept. It's my old concept. So if it works on the conditions based on the Jupiter should be in 5 to 25 degrees and should be in a direct position. It's not in a retrograde position. Okay. Yeah. What doesn't works? No, it's a Jupiter. Sumit G, it's a Jupiter Moon concept. I think you know that previously. Uh, Moon in 8th house from the Jupiter. That's what I'm talking about. I think everyone know that. Okay, and coming to the stocks. How will I manage? I don't know astrology. You don't need to astrology. I will provide everything how to use this. Okay. Yeah, fee will be 80. It's I will provide from zero level astrology to higher level astrology. In the course, I will guide. I will teach from the zero level, basic level, from the zero level astrology to higher level astrology of everything, and how to predict everything. And the financial astrology supports of the astrology is financial, health, career astrology, whatever it is. Everything will be I will provide in the course. Okay, and the fee will be 18,000, and that is also intensive crash course. So actually it's my 20 years experience, it doesn't find anywhere, we can't find it anywhere. Okay, so actually I have to, if I want to submit everything detailedly, it will be take 6 months like that. But I have created shortcuts for everything. I have created shortcuts to reduce the time. So that's why I am making it at 27 days, and every day will be a live teaching class. And if it is not sufficient, I will extend the time period or extend the days also. I will clear everyone doubts, okay, in the course. Yeah, share me some idea, your Samiji. Yeah, Sumiji ask me. This indicator what? See this TCS I have given that. Let me show you. It has given the signal here. This is TCS, right? See this TCS. It has given buy signal at. You can go far over also. Far back also you can see this. Whenever it gives the stop, SL hits only very less. See this 2 points SL, 5 points. Okay, 5 points is the SL. Yes, Sumiji, on different time frames, when you go for a different time frame, that means when you go for higher time frames, it goes for the position we're holding for the higher period, longer period, and the risk is also increases. I want to, if you want to low risk, then go for short time frame. If you want to, you can risk more, and then go for a higher time frame. That's your choice. It's clear? Yeah, see this. The loss is SL hit is 5 points. From there, it has again. If you take this from here to here, this is 2 point SL, 3 points SL. Okay. So after that, it has given straightly. See this. Yeah, 95 points profit. Before that, you have got 5, 3, 8 points loss, but it has given a profit of 95 points. Okay, see this. Before that, it has given 8 points loss only when compared to these two buy signals or sell signals. After that, it has given 95 points profit. See this. It's a 3 points loss, and it's a 5 points loss. Yeah, okay, clear. So 5 plus 3 is 8 points loss. After that, it has given 95 points profit. Okay, and then it has given 35 points profit. Okay, sir, you said that these are astral lines, so how can you get different buy sells over different time frames? That is my question. Yeah, because time frame is also completely based on the astrology. Whenever you go for a higher time frame, then planetary also works. This is differently completely, it will depends upon the time frames, because when you go for higher time frames, then ascendants and planetary period and hours, planetary hours, everything will be changed. Yeah, fine. See this, after that it has given a buy of 19 points profit, and you can see this loss of 10 points only, clear. And from there it goes straight away. See this, 113 points profit and still running. Now you can see that loss is 8, and here maybe approximately 9 points loss, so it will be 17 points loss, and the profit will be 95 plus 35 plus 105, so 121, and it's 113, so 235 points profit for the 9 points loss, 17 points loss. You can ask any stock, I will show that stock, but anyone can ask any stock, not about this. uh, right now I am not providing this, not selling this indicator right now, only for the course students, because you have to understand the astrological basics. It has to be how to use that. Without knowing the astrology you can't use this perfectly. Yeah, ask me any stock, I can show this, or crypto also, it's working very fine. I can show live also. So go for 1 minute, we have to see the very short time frame right now. USD INR. Okay, but it not works right now. Okay, well sure. Okay, yeah, okay, it's working right now. Okay, yeah. And if the market is running for higher time, that means long times, then go for 1 hour, that is the best. Because Nifty is running for only 6 hours, that's why I have taken the 5 minutes. And if you have taken the US markets, that will work for 23 hours, then go for 1 hour, 2 hours, like that. Okay, and see this. Yeah, from the starting onwards I will show you. Okay, see this. Before this it has given the buy signal is here and sell signal is here, and it was in profit of 0.1. After that, even it's a cost to cost or 0.1, no loss at all. But you have to always check this at if the candles are closing below this or not. That means if it is in buy condition, it has to be above those lines. That will be the better. Okay, and see this. After this, even if you follow only still the indicator, that is also profitable. See this. This is the cost to cost. Okay, exit clear, and you can see this sell here. Okay, and you got the 0.9. It's a 10 times of the previous one. It's a 7 times. Okay, if you go for long time frame, even if you go for long time frame, its loss is very minor. See this, it's a cost to cost are very minimum less always, but profit will be higher. Every time profit will be higher. See this. This is the cost to cost nearest. So see this. This is the profit. Okay, and this is also profit. Sell to high. See this. Okay, and after that this is also profitable. Okay, this is the minor loss 0.7. Okay, before that it has given same, or you can exit here like that, 1.7 like that. That's why I have taken that. If you take the long time frames, the risk is also more. And if you see this here, the risk is very less. The same condition here, it will be the cost to cost. See this. If you go for long time frame, it gives more, because see this, I will show you everything. Yeah, this here we have taken that 3 hours time frame, and the loss is 0.7. okay, after that everything will be in profit. 0.7 is clear, our loss is covered here. After that 0.5. okay, next this is also profit or cost to cost. Okay, then it's a huge profit. We have a loss only of 0.7, but it is given 1.37. okay, and here it is loss of 0.24. okay, and then the profit will be 0.10, 1. Again you can see this 2.26 loss. okay, and the profit will be right now it's running 1.2. even if you take the long time frames, but you get the huge profit, but also your risk is more. It's as per your choice. You can take the time frames according to the capacity of each person. You can take the risk. For that, take the time frames also. Yeah, you can ask any time, any particular stocks. I can show that. Dixon. Yeah, okay. See this, it has given the sell signal here on 1 hour time frame. For the stocks it will be take 1 hour. If you go for 5 minutes, it's also fine. 5 minutes is for the 2 days to 1 week holders only, or intraday persons. Okay, and there is a different thing also. This is completely based on astrology. Due to that, according to the company, we have to decide the time frame. That's the main thing. Dixon is a completely electrical technologies like that company. So we have to use 4 hours time frame for that. See this. It will be different for the each stock. Different stocks has it. We have to see different time frames. That will be the highest point that I have completely refined this. Yes, right. See this. This is a 600 points profit. Okay, and next profit will be 1 minute. Yeah, 4,000 points is there and still running. It's also crosser. It is downward also scores and continues. Let's tell me another sector stock, so I can you can decide, you can understood that clearly. Any other stock I have to see? Tell me the stock. So for example, if you do you have a sort of guides, reference guide for different companies for different time frames? Yes, I will explain, it is in the course. For example, take SBI. SBI and Dixon both are completely different related sectors. Okay, right? So Reliance. Okay, I will show that. Yeah. For Reliance, we have to watch it in 2 hours. See this. Here, the sell is here, and the buy is here. It's a 27 points profit, and after that, it's a cost to cost or very minimal loss of 10 points, 12 points. Okay. After that, it has given a buy signal. Still, it's a continuation. 160 points profit. 160 points profit, and still it's continuation. We have to watch it in 2 hours for the Reliance stock. Okay, and let me show you for SBI. SBI, we have to watch it in 30 minutes. See this. Which company? Which company has the shortest Astro time frame? That is completely depends on the stock. Yeah, SBI we have to take 30 minutes time frame. Okay. Yeah, see this, and we can okay, we will go from here starting onwards. Okay, now it is running is the buy signal. Okay, 30 minutes. And better it was to exit position right now, better to exit because it will soon gives the sell signal. Okay, and according to the already we are in profit right now, and this is the, so yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, this one is 9 points, and if you take this now, okay, 9 points is a running profit. Okay, if you take the previous one, 6 point profit, 6.5, and go for the previous one. This is the ultimate one. See this. Yeah, it's 100 points profit directly. Why more profits in the, yeah, 1 minute. Why more profits on the buy side than sell side? We can get on both sides, we can get the highest profits. Let me show you 1 minute. It will shows the planetary trend. How will be the trend? Will next will be the trend. See here, this also you can see this, and sell side also you can get the most point. See this, it's a approximately 87-88 points profit on sell side. You can watch it in 3 minutes or 30 minutes because we are deriving this, because 30 divided by 10. Shall I give you an idea? Yes, Sumit sir. In 3 minutes also SBA will work fine. Let me show you live. Yeah, we can set the settings free on bicycle and sell signal. That's the best. It's not possible because customers, clients can check any one person. It's a choice of the person because there is a 8,000 stocks are there. Everything we can't list in a Pine script. In Pine script we can't store more than 60 stocks or 30 stocks. It's a very difficult in Pine script because NSE has a, at least if you take the Nifty 200, it's a 200 stocks can't enter into the Pine script. Only Nifty, only 30 to 50 stocks can be as insert in the Pine script. That's the issue. Okay, now I will show you the yeah. Now I will tell you the process how to trade this using this. Okay, whenever it gives the sell signal or buy signal, if it is right now, for example, it gives a sell signal, then we have to take the only we have to divide this into two parts. Okay, that means how much quantity. If you, for example, you want to take 100 quantity, then take only 50 quantity here whenever it gives a signal. Okay, then another take 25% quantity at whenever all the lines cross it, take the 25% quantity. After that, take whenever second time also, whenever the all the lines cross, take the and the remaining 25% quantity. Like that it will be go, because first of all it definitely reaches this. Okay, I will show you the stocks also. Tell me any US stock so I can see this. So what I am saying, you are already having the sell signal and the buy signal and each and every different stock. Okay, these signals can be identified with into strong buy signals or weak signals and really strong signals and weak signals, categorized as S1, S2, S3, like that. B1, B2, B3, B4 we have done like this. No, we can't do the like that, Sumit, because as per the planetary things it we gives the signal. There is no that means the weak or strong. We it's not a technical. It's not a technical. That's why I'm saying this. Whenever the planetary conditions meet, it gives the signal. That's all. There is no strong or weak. Okay, it will be strong or weak. We have to watch it because we have to just follow the signals. That's all. Yeah. Can anyone give me the US stocks, because US stocks are running right now? US stocks, so that we can watch it. Apple. Okay. Yeah. For Apple, we have to go for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. 5 minutes is best. Apple. And if you can bear 4 hours is also fine thing for this Apple. See this 4 hours. 4 hours is the best thing for this Apple. Loss is 16 points loss. Okay, and the profit it gets given. Yeah, 18 points profit. Okay, from there again it has given 70 points profit is the running. See this. Okay, every time it gives the profit, every time it gives the profit. See this, on 4 hours that's the best thing for the Apple. Every time it gives the profit, for each and every swing it has taken that. Here it has given the cost to cost, very minimum loss. The main concept of designing this indicator, it will be the, we have to reduce the manure loss. Whenever if you know, do you know that the institutions has made only $2 of loss. They will take the positions hundreds of times, but the each and every time the loss will be $2 only. Like that, we have to reduce the loss. How many times we can take the entries at, it's a number of times we can take the entries, but loss is very minor. That will be remaining, it will give us profit. That was, I am taking this based on that condition. See this, loss is very minor, but every time it gives the profit. See this, here loss is completely minor, cost to cost here is there. See this is also minor loss, very cost to cost, and the profit, see the profits, this is minor loss, and the profit, see this profit, this is the cost to cost, this is cost to cost. I am showing from 2016 onwards, it's approximately 10 years back I have seen that. Yeah, we can do this on algo also. But on algo we have to differentiate the time frame, because different stocks has a different time frame, right? It's not possible right now for doing that. I will explain it is in the course, so you have to understood that, and you can do that on algo, yeah, as by Oregon. Tell me another stock, your required stock, I will show that. Any Indian stock I can show that, or any country stock I will show that, or any index I can show that. It will works for each and every stock, each and every index in the world. Bank Nifty and Nifty, those are the best things this is working for, because I have designed only for them. Sorry, futures is there, or Bank Nifty. Yeah, for Bank Nifty you have to take the 30 minutes or 3 hours time frame. Okay, when you take the 3 hours time frame, it has given huge profit for you. Mid cap Nifty, yes, I decide the time frames by my own experience of 20 years, by my own experience. It doesn't written anywhere. I have, it's my everything I am showing you, it's my complete my own experience. I have shortcut for you, because without knowing the basics, or without knowing the everything, you can directly jump into this. See this, see this Bank Nifty, this is every time this gives profit or minimum loss. Mid cap, yeah, mid cap Nifty also. But you want to, but I need mid cap Nifty. What is the which sector has the highest weightage? I need that. First let me show you the bank Nifty. Okay, see this previous one is, yeah, this is the previous one, and the loss is 370 points loss. Okay, and the profit, you can see that 3600 points profit. That means 10 times loss. That means 10 times this is the 1 is to 10 directly, and still it going that. See this 370 points loss and 3600 points profit. It's still running that. If you take in 30 minutes, this is also very fine for that, but 3 hours is a fine for that. Three hours gives clear idea about this. Okay, so before that also it has given his profit. See this 5000 points profit. Bank Nifty has given 5000 points profit directly. Okay, after that it has given 370 points loss. Again it has given 3600 points profit. The you have sent me the financial service Nifty finance, but I need a Nifty mid cap. No, you can tell me which sector has the highest weightage. Okay, yeah, okay. The highest weightage is financial services, right? Okay, yeah, financial services. Okay, then go for 3 hours mid cap nifty. See this. Which one? Mid cap 100, right? Mid select. Okay. Mid select. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See this new mid cap select. Okay. And you can see this here. Yeah, it's also works in 3 hours. See here, the loss is very minor, 370 points loss, and the profit will be 970 points profit. 3 times do that. And before that also it has given, it's the same minor cost to cost, and it has given the loss. Okay, before that you see this, 1278 points profit. Okay, and go back. Yeah, 1090 points profit. Just if you follow the signal, and if you take the lower lows like that, then you can take the more profit. If you take the research, just follow the signals also is the best thing. And I can show the another thing, that is the see this is an astrological super trend. So Manapuram Finance, so you have to follow on 3 hours. 30 minutes and 3 hours is the fine thing. So that I will join for sure. Great, sir, but I have a financial issue. No issue, Sumiji, no issue. Yeah, and this is a different thing. We can conclude that the stock will goes on the same direction or not, just by seeing this thing. And the entry stop loss is very minor ways there. See this, we have to focus on the super trend. Whenever there is a candle, green candle crosses the super trend line, and it has to close how much distance, far distance. Yeah, we can combine both. Let me show you that. Yeah, combine both. See this, we have to take entry at this point. It has to touch this point, or it will try to touch this. Sometimes it will go near to this, like this. There's a buffer of just 0.5%, 0.1% or 0.4%. Okay, yeah, okay, and we have to take entry at the nearest to that, and stop loss will be candle close below this super trend line. See here, the stop loss will be at 282, our entry will be 280, same level. So if you take the entry stop loss as 281, because candle close below, and 1 point stop loss, and the profit will be, see the profit, 14, that is 1:14, and still running there. And if you take the TCS, see this, see TCS, we have to take for TCS, right? So we have to take 15 minutes right time frame, or higher, right? Then go for 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is fine for this. Or you can take the 50 minutes. Yeah, nearest to that is 45 minutes, so you can take this. So 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour is fine. See this, it has doesn't very near to that. It if it is close very near to that, that means it doesn't go far downside. If it is candle close they very far distance from their super trend line, then it goes very high, they very below. See, for example, I will show you this right now. Okay, see this, the candle closes, now mark this, yeah, here it is, and the candle closes here. So it's a 0.3% change is there. It's a 0.3% higher, so it will goes lot of high from here. See this, approximately it has given 3%, I think, because it's a 10 times we have to take that from here to here. It's exactly 3%. See this, so how much time, how distance it goes, it will goes there in the same direction. See here, the level is here, and the close 0.03%, so the downside will be 0.3%. Calculate this, see exactly 0.3% down. See this, exactly 0.3% down, like that. Now you can see this, candle close below, two percent, 0.2%, that means 2% down is there. It's a 1%. See this, exact 2% is there. Exact 2% down is there. Perfect. Okay, Clear? Any doubts? This method is also good. Yeah, fine. And we can define that how much distance it can go for on the same direction. See here. And one more stock I can have seen this. Yeah. And you can do this in options also. That's the best thing. I want to explain this right now. 1 minute. Yeah. This is the best. Nifty. It's 25,800. Okay. Call. Okay. Let's go for options. Let's go for December 30, 25,800. Let's do it in 5 or 15 minutes is best, because it's a option, right? We have to very minute thing, reduce the time frames. See this here, how much for the close is. The level is here and the close is here. It's a 23% close. That means it will go, but in options we have to reduce that into 50% of previous stocks method. That means 230 in 50% means 115%, right? So the value is here. So 115%, where is 115%? So it will goes maximum of 499 or 500 level. We can see it tomorrow. Maybe it was due to the flag symbol light. Okay, by technicals also you can see this. There's the target 500. We can see that 25,800. You can see this. See here, US futures that impacts options, example Tata Power futures. Okay, see here, in 5 minutes the same thing has given its huge, that means a very higher. You can see that open is also very higher than super trend level. See this, from this here to the close, it's a 25% again, 24.6%. so it will goes 120% from there. If you calculate that 120%, the same thing will happen. See this, yeah, exactly at 480. Yeah, 481. We can define like this for everything. Yeah, let me show Tata futures. As you said, Tata Power futures. Okay, but this doesn't seem the case of downtrend. Okay, but in option it we will do buying only, right? If you want to sell it, the same thing will happen. I have shown the same thing also, right? 15 minutes, go for 15 minutes. See this, see here, it has to cut down. Twenty-six, 25% is there. Okay, so it will be gives 1 point, that means 125%. It has given a lot. Okay, now Tata futures. Tata Power, we have to go for 1 hour. See, this is the candle, it has gone higher. See this, it just at the same range it has gone, that's why it doesn't go higher. Okay, it goes somewhat down here, that's why it goes down. And see this candle, this is the biggest candle we have seen, right? Okay, now calculate this. 0.75%, so it goes to 74%. Oh, it's not in index, right? Yeah, it's right. Okay, we can take it double in futures. Futures it's not work, it will works in spot. Then go for the same in spot. Okay, now you can see the same thing. It's a 0.7%, clear. 0.7% is there, close is there. Now calculate from here. And we have to take the 5, that means 5 times. In options we can take it as a 10 times, but in stocks we have to take it 5 times. So in 5 times, that means 3.5% is the target, but it has given 4%, 4.2%, right? Actually it will works best for the 100 minutes or 45 minutes also, it was very fine. See this, 45 minutes will be fine for this. Now we can see the clear picture. See this, the close will be at 0.557%. Okay, and we can see the five seven. Okay, nearest to that maximum percentage we can get this here, right? Bitcoin, Hardik Patel. Yeah, 1 minute, let me show you the downside also. After that I will show the Bitcoin. Yeah, the value is here, and the close will be, yeah, yeah, 1.45%, sorry, 0.37%, right? Yeah, so it will be, we need first of all 37%, or half of that, that means 18.5%. Let me show that. Yeah, it's more than that, because we have seen this 36 3.36%, so we have to see 3.6%, right? Sorry, 3.6%. Yeah, 3.6% has been done, right? And we can see this here also. The close is 0.34%, and the target will be 3.4%. So it, now, and one more thing, it is the close will be nearest to the high. That's what we have to see here. It is close will be nearest to the low. That's also we need to understand that the close will be nearest to the high. Whenever how much distance it will be the close to the near highest or higher low, then it will go far away, like that. Here when the close is near to the low, right? That's why it has given 10 times to that. Here it will be rejected here, right? Now see this, the close is near to this. Okay, now we can see this 0.49%. Like, for example, if we can take round figure 0.5%. Okay, and you can see this 5% is crossed, definitely. 1 minute. Yeah, 0.4%. Half of that, 0.4%, 4, yeah, approximately 2, it has been done. 1.8% it has done. Yeah, now see this. Yeah, it has, oh, it's very low. 1 minute. The closing candle is, yeah, this is the best candle. Here it is. See this, very high, but close is low, but we can find it goes very far away, because the close is very distance from the super trend level, astrological super trend level. It's a 0.53%, so we can expect up to 2.5%, approximately minimum of 2.5% from here. The target will be 2.5%. Yeah, 388 easy target. Okay, now we can go for Bitcoin. Yeah, this is the best. We can define everything, and loss is very minor, and we have to enter on a, see this, it has crossed here and again tries to reach this. We have to enter here, not at here, right? Then our loss is very minor, because our loss, we can define this, candle close below this, our loss. Okay, this is the Bitcoin, so we have to go for 4 hours, the best thing. See this, the candle has been closed nearest approximately 99% of the high. 99% of the high, so you can see this 0.3%. That means it definitely it gives 3% completely direct profit. It's exactly at 1.75% it rejected. See this. That means half of that. It goes directly 3%. There is no issue at all. Yeah, 91,557. It goes there. See, this all has been taken the supports here. Nobody has been means no candle has been crossed all the lines. Okay, everything has taken support here. Or you can take uh, 40 minutes. Let me show you 1 minute so you will get a clear idea. Did you remember that before that when I started this 1 minute this live 1 minute there is a sell signal is there. Okay, see this how it will be falling right now. Bitcoin is falling right now. The sell signal we have shown that 1 hour back. Okay, then how it will be falling right now. It has given approximately till now 986, approximately 1000 points fall is there. Yeah, done. 1000 done. 1000 points fall done. And if you take the stop loss, $183 for stop loss is there. So the stop loss is very low. This is simple. If you want higher profit and you have a higher risk, then go for long time frames. And if you want small profit, small risk, then go for lowest time frames. This is very simple thing. But where any time frame this gives the minor loss. Just go for 5 minutes, then you will understand this clearly. Actually it will works better in 40 minutes, not in 45. 40 minutes it will work better. Even in 1 minute also it will get given tremendous huge points. Yeah, I have custom time frame, but it's my one is not a paid version, so I can't get the our custom time frame. Go to I know that is not mine is not a paid version, so I can't get the 40 minutes time frame. See the fall, and you can see the indicator also. Even in 1 minute you can see this. Just this, see this, the close is completely 100% low, and then how much fall it has given. We have to see this only, just we have to see this close and how much distance it from the super trend level, astrological super trend level. That's it. Then we can decide that target. that is the strongest or weakest signals. That is what we have asked previously. It's a 0.3%, so we can go for 0.3%, right? It has given okay 0.6% also, maybe. Let me check that, because it has given 100% low. Close is at 100% low. Yeah, it has double to that. 0.6 also crossed. We have to find out those things that will give tremendous profits. Yeah, just for the target we can use this super trend, and for the direction we can use this planetary trend method. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, anyone has any doubts regarding anything, you can ask me. Yeah, okay, bye Sumit. Yeah, good night Sumit ji, good night. Yeah, I'm also leaving. Good night all.